Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to learn the Zen rollover, and I will be showing you how to do that right now. I'll be showing you the trick in fast motion first and slow motion. So this trick is basically just a combination of the Y2K, which is this, and the wrist pass, which is this. And here's how to do it. To do the trick, it is basically the same as the Y2K. It's the same grip, but instead of starting off on the bite handle, with that pencil grip, we're going to be starting off on the safe handle. So this one. And we're going to do a Y2K. That means we're going to catch the bite handle and the blade is going to be coming towards our fingers, which will cut us if we have a proper knife. So to avoid that, we want to perform our wrist pass. And if you haven't checked out that other video, make sure you will. I will link it in the description. If you have, then you should know how to do it. So we do our Y2K, starting off with the safe handle. We catch it in the bite handle, and we do our wrist pass, and then we catch it. And there's the trick. And then after that, you can switch handles. You catch it in the, and then you can switch handles and close it. So just to recap, starting on the safe handle in the pencil grip, Y2K should catch with the bite handle, perform a wrist pass to avoid getting cut by the edge, and then that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you check out my other videos.